Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and recover your TikTok account without your email or your mobile number. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you should do is, first of all, you will go ahead access your TikTok app. Then once you have accessed your TikTok app, what you're going to do, you're simply going to go to login or sign in page. This will open up, right? So we will tap on this use phone or email. So we don't know our phone, neither the email. Then we're going to tap on this help icon with the circle and the question mark, and then we're going to tap on it, and then we will have this options over here. So in the first you can say recover your account. Go ahead, tap on it, and now it will ask for again phone, email, Instagram. If your account is connected with Instagram, another option is available. If this is also not available, then TikTok username, though we remember that account, we do remember. Even if we don't, we can simply go ahead, search it up with our friends. We are friends with them, we can go ahead, check our username. Then we're going to tap on this TikTok username. We're going to enter our username. We're going to tap on next. So right now it's not letting us do the more attempts. If you tap on next, then again it will ask confirmation, which will be with email. So my account does not need to be recovered, so it's not processing further. Then again we do not have an email option. Then we'll tap on this need help option, which will be given below. There you're gonna go ahead, write a feedback to TikTok. Hey, my account needs to be recovered. I have lost my email which was connected with it, or I have lost access to it. Same with my number, I have changed my number. However, the reasonable reason, you gotta put it there. Please help me, and then you're gonna send the report, submit it. A report in there in TikTok, and they will try some solution. They will let you know what more you would have to do for you to get your account back. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys on our next video.